A car vacuum cleaner quickly removes dirt and debris, keeping your vehicle clean, hygienic, and comfortable every day. Today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaners. This mini car vacuum is a practical and reliable solution for keeping your vehicle spotless. Its lightweight 2.4 pounds design makes it easy to handle, while the spacious dustbin efficiently collects dust, crumbs, pet hair, ash, and other everyday messes. The 106W motor delivers strong cyclonic suction that easily reaches dirt hidden under seats and in tight corners. I also appreciate the washable HEPA filter, which helps maintain consistent performance and cleaner air. The included detailing kit, with 3 useful attachments, a carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter, adds excellent value for thorough interior cleaning. Unlike battery-powered models, it plugs into your car's 12V outlet, so you never have to worry about running out of power during a cleaning session. The generous 16-foot cord provides plenty of reach for back seats and the trunk. Overall, it's a convenient, powerful, and well-equipped car vacuum that's ideal for regular interior maintenance. Now our second product is Saker Car Vacuum Cleaners. The Saker 3-in-1 Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that's perfect for both cars and home use. Its impressive 17,000 pascals brushless motor provides strong suction with 3 adjustable power levels, making it easy to remove dust, sand, pet hair, and debris from tight spaces. I love the lightweight, foldable design. It weighs only 380 g and easily fits into a bag or glove compartment. The cordless operation and long-lasting 3x2500 mAh batteries offer excellent convenience, while USB-C charging makes recharging quick and hassle-free. The vacuum also functions as a blower and inflator, adding extra value for everyday tasks. Both the washable HEPA filter and durable steel filter help maintain reliable performance over time. With an extensive set of accessories for cleaning, blowing, and inflating, this compact vacuum handles a wide variety of jobs effortlessly. Overall, it's an excellent all-in-one cleaning solution with outstanding portability and performance. Our third product is Rlchfei Car Vacuum Cleaners. This cordless handheld vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that performs well in multiple situations. With up to 21,000 pascals of suction from its upgraded brushless motor, it easily removes crumbs, pet hair, dust, and other debris from cars, keyboards, offices, and home surfaces. The 3 power modes let you balance cleaning performance and battery life, while the blower function is great for inflating items, clearing dust from electronics, or even helping with campfires. The built-in 2000 mAh battery charges quickly via USB-C in about 2.5 hours and provides 20 to 45 minutes of runtime, making it convenient for everyday use. The dual-layer filtration system, featuring a durable metal filter and washable HEPA filter, helps maintain strong suction and protects the motor for long-lasting performance. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, this vacuum is a practical choice for anyone who wants efficient cleaning at home, in the car, or outdoors. Now number 4, Houscly Car Vacuum Cleaners. This handheld vacuum delivers impressive performance in a compact, lightweight design. Powered by an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it provides strong suction that easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from car interiors, furniture, and other surfaces while operating quietly. The dual vacuum and blower functions make it even more versatile, allowing you to clean keyboards, air vents, electronics, and hard-to-reach spaces with ease. Its 6,000 mAh battery offers up to 30 minutes of runtime on low mode, and the convenient USB-C charging keeps it ready for everyday use. The 0.4L dust cup reduces frequent emptying, while the washable HEPA filter helps maintain powerful suction by trapping fine dust. Weighing only 0.7 pounds, it's comfortable to use and easy to store. The included nozzles, charging cable, and storage bag make it a complete cleaning kit. Overall, it's a reliable, portable vacuum that combines strong performance, convenience, and excellent value. And our last choice is Webolly Car Vacuum Cleaners. This 4-in-1 cordless handheld vacuum is an excellent all-around cleaning tool for cars, homes, and travel. Its powerful 85,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor delivers up to 16 kilopascals of suction, making it easy to remove pet hair, crumbs, and stubborn dust while remaining relatively quiet. The ability to switch between vacuum, air duster, blower, and pump functions adds impressive versatility for cleaning electronics, inflating air mattresses, or compressing storage bags. The included accessory kit handles everything from tight corners to upholstery with ease. A 4000 mAh battery provides up to 26 minutes of runtime, and USB-C fast charging makes it convenient to recharge almost anywhere. I also appreciate the lightweight cordless design, which is comfortable for one-handed use. The one-click dustbin emptying and dual HEPA plus metal filtration system keep maintenance simple while maintaining strong suction. Overall, it's a compact, powerful, and highly practical cleaning companion that offers excellent value for everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.